Introduction to Sugar Cravings and Energy Dips. Do you crave sugar even when you're full? Or feel tired, foggy, and snacky all day? That was me too. And the truth is, sugar cravings aren't just a bad habit. They're a signal from your body. And here's what they're really saying. Your body is stuck in sugar burn mode. That means you're constantly fueling with quick carbs, like bread, soda, fruit juice, and even healthy snacks. The result? You spike, you crash, and your brain screams for more sugar to get through the day. I call it zombie energy. It's the reason you wake up tired. It's why your brain fog gets worse by 3 p.m., and it's why you feel like you're always dieting, but nothing's changing. So what's the fix? It's not willpower, it's a fuel switch. Instead of running on sugar, we shift to fat, with a beginner-friendly version of lazy keto. No tracking, no macros, no complicated recipes. Just simple, real food that keeps your energy stable and cravings gone. Within 3 days of making the switch, I stopped crashing. My brain fog disappeared. I finally had energy, and the cravings, gone. This isn't a hardcore keto plan. It's the one I used to start, and it only cost £1. Here's the exact 30-day keto meal plan I followed. It includes simple daily meals, sugar-free swaps, and a free ebook for beginners. Ready to take the next step? Click the link below to get started on your keto journey today. Remember, every big change starts with a small step. If you've been struggling with sugar cravings, energy dips, brain fog, or slow weight loss, this could be the fix you've been waiting for. And yes, it's perfect for keto for beginners, lazy keto, and anyone tired of failing diets. So stop fighting your body and try fueling it right. The link to the meal plan is below.